Ik dacht dat ik iemand hoorde praten, maar dat was een zombie. Ja. Stop singing the Lion King.
Maar ik zit gewoon in een... Ik zit in een valley, man. Het is gewoon zo onlokkelijk.
What kind of English is that? Ik zit in a valley, man.
Do you wanna go? You
Come
wanna
then.
go, mate? You wanna go, mate?
Come then. Come then.
Car can jumps, woohoo!
Hello everybody and welcome to our first episode of DayZ Epoch on the island Panthera. We don't know what we're doing, so bear with us and wish us good luck. The Deuce Faster.
I'm now at the old castle.
No, I'm not even at it. Old castle? Yeah, you're a long way from me, man.
But am I on the right way?
I don't know. I guess so.
I don't even see a fucking house, mate.
You need to go down, down, down.
Down,
okay.
Girl.
Wait,
The ring of fire.
I'm at a kind of lake, so I hope...
I hear shots. I hear shots.
Shots have been fired.
I'm there, yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, fuck that shit. I hear... Hold on.
Dus ik moet erbij blijven volgen.
Oh shit, it's a zombie. Bottoms up.
I hear a church.
That's the love of Jesus telling you to stop. Fuck, shut up, zombie.
Hi zombies.
He's
Hi
like
zombies.
saying, stop doing what you're doing.
Quit, I'm coming to you.
Yeah, but that I need to go. I'm hiding on the roof because I hear shots, dude.
He didn't know that actually I was shooting at his face.
I don't know, but I hear lots of shots. Oh motherfucker! They actually walk stairs? What?
Yep.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, but they also walk on ladders. Mother.
Yep.
Yep.
Hey zombie, can you please get off my booty? Damn it.
I'm entering another city now.
Is it called Supenica?
I know it doesn't show up.
Scared.
I hate this game when I don't have bullets.
I hate this game because I'm missing my friends.
Shut it.
I hear the car. Is that you?
Oh ja, ik net ben voorbij gereden, ja.
I'm in me mom's car. Vroom vroom.
Yeah,
Dus het ding is al terug weg.
Hold on. Drive on.
Ja, maar.
Stop. Is that you? Blue car?
Ja. Hallo.
I'm on the
You
roof.
on the roof.
Yeah.
I see. See
Okay.
you on the roof.
I'm coming down.
I hear a zombie behind me, I think.
Oh, I hear lots of zombies.
Toilet paper.
Stop beeping! You attract them!
Oh.
This mod is kinda realistic, you know. More realistic than... I'm in! Go!
Nu weet ik niet. I don't know where our cannibal is, but...
He's in the north.
Oh goddamn, we have to turn then.
Wait, I can... yeah, but we can drive around, I think. Oh, turn around.
Why are there dead bodies in this hospital?
Because it's not a very good hospital. Boom.
Yeah, it's screaming the
He
shit
died.
out. Screaming the shit out.
I didn't do anything. I'm innocent.
Who's your kill now?
And we will
Zombie.
see a lot of cars, by the way, on... Oh, damn. Zombies on the road. Go out of the way.
Whoa!
Crash into the house.
And you say you had your driver license? Yes, we see.
Yep.
Okay. Daga.
Hey.
You just need to go back the way you came, right? And remember,
Yeah.
you don't have infinite fuel.
I know, I see my fuel.
I've got a fuel, how do you call it? Jerry can, so...
I'm halfway now. Here's another car, by the way. Don't know if he drives.
No, this one doesn't drive. It normally has medical supplies and stuff, but I have enough. So. Did you check every building here?
I'll just
need
don't
to.
blind for it anymore, man. I don't know where the hell I am.
Or
That
does it
didn't
refuel?
refill.
Oh, yeah. Well, we
Yeah,
got
too
fuel
many
enough.
zombies.
Yeah, just.
Let's drive them over.
Here's another gas station.
It.
What's going? I could get out here now.
You know, I could be in
Do you see your fuel being refueling left in the left top corner?
Strana.
A little bit.
So it's refueling, right?
Yeah, but not that much.
Yeah, but it's refueling. We can when we're in a car, we're pretty safe. You look, and there's a trader on the left as well.
You may not be in. Fuck this game! Bitch!
But you can remember if you run over a mountain or not.
What you can do is you can relog, so you can see where you are.
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
Oh my god!
Is it stop? Did it stop refilling?
Yeah,
I could get out and see if I could refill the.
there's a zombie just like walking here.
Disconnect. Exit. Fucking damn it.
So what city are you in?
I don't
hold
know.
on. I'm refueling you.
You log in, you see that
Yeah,
You're right.
I'm back relogging in, but it's extra shit.
I'm refueling you, Jordi. You see it?
yeah. No, I saw a big
Okay.
jump.
I'm peeing against the car.
So, yo,
I'm loading up again. God damn
Wow,
it.
that's
Loading
taking
up
long.
again.
Takes that long.
I was logged in like in a second again. Just have to click abort and then.
Oh. Is that all I have to do?
Yes.
I'm full out, man. I'm full out.
Oh,
Oh,
really,
God.
really. Oh God. Hey,
We
go
got a
inside.
noob over here.
Go inside the car and look to your right. Mr. Striker.
Look to the right.
Why do
Hello.
I hear the fucking ocean again?
No,
I don't see your face, but I see your.
I look
Shotgun.
sexy. Sexy.
I only see your shotgun.
I look sexy.
The hell did you get last night?
Let's sing a song for in the car.
Oh, what? Ik ben dood.
I'm in Genesis.
Wait, what?
Do not talk inside.
Oh, you talked in side chat. Oh shit.
What? Dat is toch gewoon
Nee,
caps lock?
je moet op, eerst op de comma duwen, zodat hij komt te staan op direct communication of op vehicle.
Yeah, I don't know where I am.
Well, this is gonna take a long time now for me, because I'd like have an hourglass on my screen and
Okay, what? What the hell did you do?
He died.
How the hell did you die?
I chat in the chat or something and I get killed.
He chatted in the side chat and that's not allowed.
Stop chatting.
But Jorik, where are you?
Yes and this. Geography? Geography, yes.
I want to use my horn.
Just click your left.
Oi! Are you in the blue shit?
Yeah.
Hey, drive a bit further. I'm on the roof. Look,
I'm on the roof. I'm on the roof.
that's a piece of shit car, mate.
Hey.
Hey.
Nothing against the car. It drives.
I need to calm down now.
Better
Please
than the
don't-
car you had with no wheels, you know.
I don't even have bullets, so screw you.
I'm dead, so I don't have anything.
Get in, get in, get in.
Right him back, right him back. Alright, go.
You want to see the purple SUV I found? If it is still standing there.
What is this, V12? V6?
This is American-made Polish quality.
Polish quality.
You can see that from the back window.
Yeah, and the color, of course.
Hey.
Looks
Hey,
like,
I had a rough time with it, okay? Wasn't easy to steal
Dude,
it.
this is a ghetto car. What do you expect from it?
oh man, the ghetto cars are different now in America.
America! But we're not in America, we're in Panthera. Was that a shot?
I have to say, you and me in this car.
Yeah. Me being a girl, right?
I think we can make some magic happen in the backseat, you know? Big enough.
Is that car fixed?
Okay, I'm waking up again at the gas station. I'm getting hit like a motherfucker.
Nope, front
No,
wheel is missing.
it's broken. Oh, you're
Okay.
at the same gas
Yeah, I'm
station.
dying. I'm just going to die. Don't know how
Wait.
to. Oh.
You need to pay attention, York. There is a ATV, like a quad.
Yes.
It's on the right within a minute.
Yes.
And there's on the left side there should be a purple Escalade.
Don't have
I'm guessing it
anything
is
to,
from someone. I'm guessing it is locked, but still, it's pretty cool to see.
Can't heal myself.
No, fucking steal that shit. Hey, look, another car.
Look, here's the SU, the ATV.
On the left, yeah. Okay.
The right.
Right, okay. ATV.
It's an all-terrain vehicle, a quad.
I still didn't die. I'm running on the road.
It looks broken.
I see a broken car here.
Get off, or it explodes. Get off
Get
and
out.
get in the car.
Yeah, why can't I get in this fucking car? Did you fucking lock it? Right back. Alright, go. And I'm the
Yeah, straight ahead. You can see the purple SUV.
Oh yeah,
I see an army truck here.
Hey, I'm already in the back, man.
But it's broken, you see?
Oh yeah.
So if we have a wheel, we could fix it.
I got an army truck.
And you are in the same village?
I'm in the next village. I'm just driving now.
Gotta say, I'm already in the back seat and it's pretty comfortable.
Is he? Was he further on the road?
Purple SUV. I'm back in the village where you died.
Oh, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm turning around.
I'm at this is the gas station where Striker died.
Well, I didn't really die.
This is where he threw out some flares. You see that?
Oh, yes, I see.
But I need medic like soon.
I've got blood. I've got bandages. So you're. Oh yeah, I see you. That's you, right?
Yep.
Right.
That's a fucking gas tank.
Well, yeah. Oh, that didn't meant
Get
to
out,
do.
get
How
out,
do
get
I
out.
get out? How do I get out? I don't know.
You scroll.
Later, bitches!
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Come back a little bit. Come back. I opened your backpack, right? And I put a bandage in it. Okay?
Yep.
So now you can medic yourself.
Rearm, filter, close. What? How do I
Yeah,
use
you need
this?
to right click on the bandage.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, York,
Bandage myself.
I'm gonna refuel this car because I could refuel at his car. It was pretty cool.
So yeah, I got a nice big car, you know.
Yeah, but it's only for 2 persons.
True.
Oh, come on.
I'm stealing fuel from it. The honk is the left mouse button. Jorg, stop, Jorg, I know something. Go back to the SUV, right? You know where it is. And Jordi can get in this car too.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
boys.
welcome to the end of this first adventure of DayZ Epoch on Panthera.
Okay,
We didn't do that much, but we found some vehicles, we found some gear, so the first steps in a new adventure are made. We hope you enjoyed it, and we surely hope you keep on watching because we have much more in storage,
Hey, look, my
especially on this island. But now I say thanks for watching and see you in the next one.